All right, number 10, this is the last one we have signed in as a section. We did not have the one with Harring's formula with that S, the square root of S, and then you had S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So you don't have to use that, but it is good to just kind of keep in the back of your mind, have as a note in case it pops up at another time. So 10 gives us this expression, and what we want to do is express the answer using rational exponents. So similar to number 9, we're going to express using rational exponents. So we're starting out with 7x to the negative third power times 8x to the negative 1/2 power, and then times x to the negative first power. So property of exponents kicks in. You're going to be combining properties of exponents with just the regular properties of numbers that you're used to. Notice this negative 3 is not on the 7, it's just on the x. If it was in parentheses, it would be affecting the 7 and the x. It is not, it's just affecting the x only. Same thing with the 1/2, it's negative, only on the x. And this one doesn't even have a number out front or coefficient, understood to be a 1, only affecting the x. So, like normal, these are being multiplied. We're going to multiply the numbers like we would usually do with multiplication. So 7 times 8 gives us 56. And then this will be times 1, so we get 56. So I have 56 is my number. Now, when we multiply variables, we just add the exponent. So I'm going to have, they're all the same exponent, x. So that has to be true. So it's going to be x, and then negative 3, and it's going to be plus negative 1/2, and then plus negative 1. You could just write minus 1/2 minus 1, but just to show that when we multiply, we add, you just add a negative. The same thing as subtraction. In order to combine these, we have to have common denominator. So 3 is understood to be over 1. This negative 3 is understood to be over 1. The negative 1/2 is over 2, and the negative 1 is understood to be over 1. So least common multiple between 1 and 2 is 2. So to fix these all up, I have to multiply the bottom and the top by 2. It's going to make it equal 2. And the same thing for this one at the back. Multiply top and bottom by 2. So this is just the side work part. I'll get negative 6 over 2. We will get minus 1 over 2, and then we get minus 2 over 2. Now that all the bases are the same, we can do the math on the top. So 6 minus 1, going more negative than negative 7, minus 2. So from negative 7 minus 2 is negative 9. So we end up with negative 9 over 2. So all of this together ends up being 56x to the negative 9 over 2 power. Now, we want to end with positive exponents. This is negative, so to make it positive, we have to move it in the bottom. So the 56 is not affected. 56 will stay. On the bottom, the x will go down, and its exponent, 9 over 2, will go with it, and now it becomes positive. So this expression simplified with positive exponents and rational exponents is 56 divided by x to the 9/2 power. So we need fraction bar. 56 on top, go down, x. I'm going to do shift 6 and hit the backspace or the backslash to do division. And then 9 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and submit.